Hello friends, this is Arafat Khan and today we will learn about word problems from chapter number 3 pair of linear equations. Okay, so see there are many chapters in class 10 in which we will deal with the word problems. Okay, word problems play a very important role in the field of mathematics. So first of all, before starting the word problem and types of word problem which are in chapter number 3, first of all, let us understand what are the word problems. What are the word problem? Okay. So in word problem, the given information is in terms of words, or we can say in terms of sentences, and we have to convert that sentence into an equation. Okay. So what happen in word problems? The given information is in terms of sentences, or we can say in terms of word, and we have to convert that sentence into an equation. Okay. And as we all know, there is one more type of question which is case based questions, or we can say case study questions. In that also we are given a statement or the information in given in terms of sentences, and we have to convert that sentence into equation. Okay, so word problem play very important role in field of mathematics and especially in your academics, like class 10, class 9, class 8, 11, 12, or even in your entrance examination. Okay, so in this chapter we will deal with several types of word problem, which are: first is cost. Okay, so we are given the cost of the pen, pencil, eraser, sharpener, like table, chair, bed. Okay, like we are given two information at a time, and we have to convert that information into the equation, and then we have to solve that equation, because we are dealing with the pair of linear equation. In this chapter, how many numbers of equations are there? Two. Okay, because pair of linear equation, as the name suggests, here we will deal with the two equations, and both equation will be linear. Okay, so first is cost, second we will deal with the numbers, second we will deal with the numbers, third we will deal with the fractions, fourth we will deal with distance, speed, and time, and time, and and lastly we will deal with ages, like age of father is 40 year and age of his children is 20 years, like this only. Okay, so here we will deal with the five types of word problem. First is cost, second is number, third is fraction, fourth is distance, speed and time, and fifth one is ages. Okay, so we will take we will take example from first type, then we will take example from second type, then we will take example from third type, then fourth type, and then fifth type. Okay, so let's begin with the example. See, first example is based on cost one type. So what is written over here? There are 37 pens. There are 37 pens, 53 pencil, and the cost is rupees 320. Again, it is given there are 53 pens and 37 pencil, and cost is 400. And what we have to find the cost of a pen and a pencil separately. Okay, what we have to do, we have to find cost of a pen and pencil separately. So see, here the given information is in term of sentence. The given information is in terms of sentence, and we have to convert that information into an equation. So as we all know, when we have to find something, first we will take it as x. But in this chapter we have to consider one thing as x and second thing as a y. Okay, so first of all we will consider, let cost of one pen is rupee is rupees x, and let cost of one pencil is rupees y. Okay, then what we are given, we are given over here 37 pen and 53 pencil is of rupees 320. So what we will do, we will multiply 37 with x, because cost of one pen is x, plus 53 y, because cost of one pencil is y, is 320. Again, cost of 53 pen, see, cost of 53 pen and 37 pencil is rupees 400. So 53 x plus 37 y is equal to 400. So see what will happen, this is equation number 1 and this is equation number 2. Now what we have to do, first of all we have to simplify these equations, because see here the coefficients are very large numbers, 53, 37, and here we have 320, 400. So in such situation what we will do, first we will add these two equations, so 1 plus 2. So 1 plus 2 will be 7 plus 3 10, 10 80 90. So it will be 90x plus again, sorry, 90y is equal to 400, 300, 700, 720, 720. Now what we have to do, we have to multiply the this equation, we have to divide this equation with 90. So 720 upon 90, what happens, 720 upon 90. So 0 0 will get cancelled, 9 ones are 9, 9 eights are 72. So equation number 3. Then again, what we will do, we will subtract 2 from 1. So what will happen, 53 minus 37. So 13 minus 7 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1, so x. Okay, then 3 minus 7 is 4, 7 minus 3 is 4. Wait, where's the eraser? All right, 53 minus 37, 53 minus 37. So 53, 37. So 13 minus 7 is 6, 4 minus 3 is 1. So minus 16. Minus 16 or plus 16? 2 minus 1 na? So minus 16. Y is equal to 400 minus 320. So it is 80. What I have to do? I have to just erase these things. Huh. Okay. Is equal to how much? 80. Now what we have to do, we have to just divide this equation with 16. So x minus y is equal to 16 5s है ना, 16 5s is 80, number 4. Now see, we have two equation, one is equation number 4 and another is equation number 3. So if we solve these two equations, so what we will get, we will get the values of x and y. Okay, what we will get, we will get the values of x and y. So for one equation is x plus y is equal to 8, one equation is x plus y is equal to 8. See this equation. And another equation is x minus y is equal to 5. So if I do 3 plus 4, 3 plus 4, so what will happen? 3 plus 4, so y will get cancelled. 2x is equal to 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So x is equal to 13 upon 2 means 6.5. What does it mean? What does it mean? It means the cost of one pen is rupees 6.5. Okay. Again, if I put the value of x in equation number 1, if I put the value of if I put the value of x in equation number 3, so what will happen? So we will have y is equal to 8 minus 6.5. 8 minus 6.5, so it will be 1.5. Okay, so what we have got, we have got the value of y. So y is rupees 1.5. It means the cost of one pencil is rupees 1.5, and cost of one pen is rupees 6.5. So it is 6.5 and it is 1.5, as simple as that. So in this way we can deal with the such type of word problem. Okay, so that's all for this class. Next we will see some more questions in which we will discuss how we can apply the different method to solve such type of word problem. Thank you for today.